Hello folks, in this video we are going to discuss the shortcut keys, or also known as key assist, for a seamless browsing of the Server Automation Console. I have a Server Automation Console open right in front of me, and to find out the key assist or the shortcut keys, you just need to simply click on Help and the second topic from top, Key Assist, and on the right hand side you'll see all the shortcut keys which can be used for seamless browsing of the Server Automation Console. As you can see, for example, for close we have Ctrl W, for copy we have Ctrl C, which is pretty much similar in line with what we use in Windows. Okay, so to give you an example, now I have something called Chef Administration folder open in front of me. To open this particular NSH script job, I just hit Ctrl O and it should open that particular job. And to close it, we can use Ctrl W to close it. So there are many such keys which you can use and save time, and you can seamlessly browse through the Server Automation Console. And that's it. Happy browsing. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice one.